Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare Make automations in Zapier to find out which works the best for creators in 2025. If you're looking for the best automation site to boost your workflow, then watch this video to the end. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this. Make is a visual platform that lets you create automations that save time and eliminate manual work across tools, while Zapier uses if this, then that logic to automate actions throughout your workflow. Zapier's integrations focus on apps and tools used by professionals and organizations. Both Zapier and Make use if this, then that logic to power their automations. That means every workflow starts with a thing that starts it. That might be receiving a submission from a Google form, the creation of a new task in Asana, and so on. This is your trigger. From there, you can set up a number of actions that will result from that trigger in another too. In Zapier, this is done through a series of drop-downs and clicks. It's not too hard to follow, but it doesn't hold a candle to Make's visual interface. With Zapier, any issues have to be thoroughly investigated manually. That means potentially going through a long chain of zaps to figure out where the problem is. Both Make and Zapier offer a wide repertoire of apps, but one has more. Make offers more than 1,000 integrations for all sorts of tools. Zapier has 3,000. One of the biggest arguments between Make and Zapier is the pricing. So let's break down each tool's pricing plans. Make has 5 plans, including Free, Core, Pro, and Teams, while Zapier has 4 plans, including its freemium option, which includes Free, Professional, Team, and Enterprise. You can see the difference from this chart. If your workflow only needs simple one-way automations, you'll be well served with either Zapier or Make. If you don't want to spring for Zapier's more expensive plans and premium apps, you can rely on Make's free plan, up to a point. With that information, you can easily decide which app fits your needs and what works for you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.